Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect any payment provider to your Wix website. This is useful whether you're setting up a new online business or simply adding another way for customers to pay. And the process can usually be handled directly from your Wix dashboard. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the main dashboard. This is the central area where you manage your website settings, business tools, and store features. Think of the dashboard as the control center for your Wix website, because this is where you'll find most of the options related to running and managing your site. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section is where Wix keeps the core options that control how your website works, so it's the right place to begin when you want to set up payments. If you're following along with this tutorial, make sure you're working inside the correct website, especially if you manage more than one Wix site from the same account. After you open Settings, find and click on Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the payment methods available for your website. It's also where you can connect providers, so your customers can pay you directly through your site. If you're running an online store, offering services, or collecting any type of online payment, this section is essential. For example, this could include payments for physical products, digital products, appointments, bookings, memberships, or other services you sell through your website. Once you're inside the payment settings, you'll see the payment methods that are available in your region. This part is important because Wix shows different payment providers depending on the country or location connected to your account. So, if you don't see a specific provider you expected, it may simply be because that option is not currently supported in your region. It's a good idea to review all of the available options before choosing one, because different providers may offer different payment methods, currencies, processing features, or requirements. From here, choose the payment provider you want to use and click Connect. This will start the setup process. Wix will then guide you through the necessary steps to link that payment method to your site. Depending on the provider, you may be asked to sign in to an existing account or create a new account before you can finish connecting it. In most cases, you'll need to enter the required business and account details, then follow the prompts to complete the connection. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, since payment providers often use it to verify your account and activate payments properly. Details such as your business name, contact information, banking information, or identity verification details may need to match your official records, so double-check everything before submitting it. As you go through the setup, take your time and read each screen carefully. Some providers may ask for extra details depending on the type of business you run or the country you're operating in. You may also want to review any transaction fees, payout schedules, supported currencies, and verification requirements shown during the setup, so you know exactly how the provider will work for your business. Once everything is completed, your payment method should be connected and ready to use on your website. Before you start sending customers to your checkout page, it's also a good idea to confirm that the payment option appears correctly and, if possible, test your checkout process so you can make sure everything works as expected from the customer's point of view. That's all it takes. Head to your main dashboard, open Settings, click Accept Payments, review the options available in your region, and connect the provider you want by completing the required details. After that, your Wix website will be one step closer to accepting payments smoothly and professionally. Taking a few extra minutes to verify your setup can also help create a smoother checkout experience for your customers and reduce potential payment issues later on.